Every color begins its journey deep within the earth. Raw materials are reduced to their purest potential. Color is born through precision and pressure.
Resins give nail polish its strength and shine.
Solvents control flow, drying, and texture.
Nothing moves forward without verification.
All components converge at the heart of production. Traceability ensures consistency in every bottle. Even air conditions affect perfection. Human precision guides industrial power.
The process is officially underway.
Transformation is about to begin. Movement begins the moment materials are approved.
Transport here is measured in millimeters.
Nothing is exposed. Nothing is wasted.